Have you ever stood in the centre of a bustling city, surrounded by the hum of traffic and the weight of concrete, and found yourself closing your eyes, wishing for a sudden, deep breath of wild, untamed air? Imagine for a moment a hidden sanctuary where the roar of the urban landscape fades into the gentle whisper of wind moving through broad palm leaves. It starts with a feeling, a quiet desire to trade the grey monochrome of the street for vibrant emerald hues, creating a pocket of paradise that feels worlds away, yet exists right outside your back door. We often search for escape in travel, looking for distant shores. But what if the truest form of escape is something we can cultivate with our own hands? It is the vision of stepping out of the noise and into a living embrace, where the air feels cooler, sweeter, and filled with life. But perhaps this isn't just about garden design, it's a way of reclaiming your peace. In our modern, fast-paced lives, the concept of an urban tropical courtyard becomes more than an aesthetic choice. It transforms into a vital philosophy of balance. It is the art of curating silence amidst the noise, a deliberate act of inviting nature's chaotic beauty into the structured lines of urban architecture. This lush retreat acts as a living lung for your home, filtering not just the air, but the stress of the day, allowing us to reconnect with a rhythm that is slower and more forgiving. It suggests that tranquility isn't a destination you travel to, but a mindset you cultivate through layers of green textures and shaded stillness, proving that nature and the city can coexist in harmony. And in spaces like these, our everyday stories quietly unfold, wrapped in the warmth of a personal jungle. Before we wander further into this green embrace, welcome to Home and Garden Tips, a space where timeless design meets mindful living. We believe that every home holds the potential to be a sanctuary, a place where the soul can rest and recharge. If you find joy in exploring serene, elegant spaces that nurture the spirit, we would love for you to join our growing community of dreamers. Now, let's step deeper into the beauty that inspires every corner of our home, exploring the elements that bring this tropical vision to life. If this story inspired you to plant a seed of tranquility in your own life, stay with us as we continue to create spaces that feel like home. Because peace isn't found, it's built, one quiet detail at a time.